Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to add attachments to tasks on the Asana app. If you manage projects or organize your work using Asana, this tutorial will help you attach documents and photos directly to your tasks. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the project that contains the task. Next, tap on the task to which you want to add an attachment. Once the task opens, look for the Attachments option and select it. Then, choose whether you want to add a document or a photo from your gallery. You can browse your files or photos and select the one you want to attach. After selecting the file, click on the Send icon at the bottom to complete the attachment process. Finally, review your task to make sure the attachment has been successfully added. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more productivity tips.